Hey, good morning everybody. Thought I'd just take you along with me here on a little repair job that I have to do. I've had this welder in a video before, but I've never got a shot of using it. What I'm doing today is I have this head catch, this Powder River head catch, which is a total piece of crap, by the way, don't buy one. But it was like the cheapest one that they made and I needed one, so I went ahead and bought it. It's probably been 10 years ago now, and I keep it here in my heifer barn. I don't use it a whole lot because we really don't pull many heifers anymore. But the problem that I've had with it is on this head catch release lever. They did a really crappy job of putting a weld up on this rocker arm here that pulls the chains back and forth for the catches down here. And if an animal's pulling one way or the other on it and you grab this lever to try and release it and you put any pressure on it, it snaps the weld up there. So that's what we're doing today, is welding that rocker arm back on. And like I say, if you're in the market for head catch, don't buy a Powder River this model. Value headgate one. It's a value, I guess, but it's not a great machine. That being said, we do have a lot of other Powder River cattle equipment that has been nothing but great. You know, we run all Powder River portable panels. We run 3 old Powder River squeeze chutes, and they're not the greatest chute in the world by any means, but they work, you know. I also have a Powder River calf table that we use that I converted over to a hydraulic tilt, so it saves on your back a little bit. But anyways, today we're going to be running a little bit of 1/8 inch 6011. Try and tie that down up there. Don't make fun of me too much because I am not a welder by any means. So alright, we'll get this fired up and try to put a bead on it. Oh, another note too, these leads, I made these leads. I went and bought some cable and made them. These are just extension parts here, this black one and this red one. I made 25-foot extensions, and then they just hook up to my 15-foot lead whips. So if you need a little bit of extra length, I just grab them and hook them in, just a regular style twist connector. So alright, we'll fire this up. And it has been warmed up, by the way, so I'm not just going to fire it up and put it to work. I have been grinding on the existing weld, grinding it down, getting it cleaned up. So